Hey there, smartphone enthusiasts. It's time to debunk some common myths and set the record straight. Today, we are diving into the world of Android smartphones to bust some common battery and software related misconceptions. So, grab your popcorn, sit back, and get ready for some myth busting fun. Our first myth is a classic. Many of us believe that closing apps in the background will magically improve battery life. But the reality is quite different. You see, Android is designed to efficiently manage background apps. So when you force close them, your phone actually ends up using more resources to reload them when you reopen them. In simple words, it's like closing the door to your house and then opening it again every time you need something. Not the most efficient way, right? Trust me, my fellow app closers, it's best to let Android handle things behind the scenes. Give those apps some space to breathe. And then we have the classic fear of charging your phone overnight. But fret not, my friends. Modern smartphones are equipped with advanced charging circuits that prevent overcharging. So feel free to plug in your phone and sleep peacefully. Your battery will be just fine and you'll wake up to a fully charged device. Sweet dreams. And now, the megapixel madness. It's time to debunk this misconception once and for all. While more megapixels may sound really impressive, they are just one piece of the puzzle. Camera quality depends on various factors such as sensor size, image processing, and software optimization. So don't be fooled by the numbers alone. Remember, it's not always about size, but how you use it. Size does matter for so many things, but size doesn't matter when it comes to cameras, my friends. It's about the quality and the components driving it. And now, for the allure of task killers and RAM boosters. We've all fallen for this. But here's the reality check. Android is designed to manage RAM effectively on its own. RAM boosters might actually interfere with the system processes, leading to performance issues. It's like hiring a bouncer to kick out the guests at your own party. Let Android do its job. Trust me, you don't want to be the bouncer of your own smartphone. Let the system handle it. Now let's address the fear of off-brand chargers. Here's the reality. As long as the charger meets safety standards, you can confidently charge your device without worrying about any damage. So don't be afraid to explore these affordable options out there. Be safe in what you choose and remember safety first. You don't want your charger blowing up somewhere. Look out for those sneaky chargers. Stick to the ones that won't play pranks on you. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the smooth experience of your smartphone. Now, the misconception that more cores automatically equip the phone for better performance. While the number of cores is important, it's not the sole indicator of performance. Factors like processor architecture, clock speed, and various other things play crucial roles. It's like thinking more chefs in the kitchen automatically result in a tastier meal. It's not always that simple. Too many cooks can spoil the broth, my friends. It's all about finding the right balance between cores, architecture, and clock speed. Time to tackle the myth of rooting your phone being illegal. While it may void your warranty, rooting your phone is actually legal in most countries, as long as you do not use it for illegal activities. So if you're up for some tinkering and customization, go for it and explore the root side. Just remember, with great power comes great responsibility. It's not me who said it, but Spider-Man said it, but well, let's agree to agree. Root responsibly, my fellow root men and root women. Embrace the power, but use it wisely. And there you have it, folks. We've debunked some common battery and software misconceptions that have been roaming the Android universe for far too long. Remember, knowledge is power, and it's important to separate fact from fiction. Oh, by the way, I've left all the links to this article I'm referencing in this video in the description below. So make sure to check it out for a complete list of 29 misconceptions. If you enjoyed this myth-busting journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more Android tech tips, news, and other Android adventures. And as always, stay curious, stay updated, and stay awesome.